Please. No, today I visited the KSCA stadium. I seen all the events here. I will issue notice to some peoples for enquiry. I will conduct an enquiry. I will finish within 15 days.
To whom notice will be sent?
I will issue notice to KSCA, RCB, event manager, and police department, police commissioner also.
KSC as well, sir?
Yeah, KSA, I will issue
asking
notice.
people to come and give their...
Yeah. I will ask people to give their evidence to the inquiry.
Whom do you think, sir, is responsible?
No. I am starting inquiry now. I will not conclude now.
Okay.
What about RCB, sir?
I will issue notice to RCB management also.
So was your permission taken to conduct this rally or any event in the city, sir, yesterday?
No, I am not a authority to give permission. They have to take permission from the police commissioner.
So do you feel somewhere negligence of some organizers or the police?
I have to inquire and give a report to government.
The crime of AC, sir?
No, I don't give result now.